am Santosh. I am a BTech graduate in Computer Science Engineering from Annamacharya Institute of Technology. After completion of my graduation, I taken course on Java full stack development in Besant Technologies, Rajaji Nagar branch. My coordinators are also cooperative. My placement coordinator is Surya sir, and my coordinator is Majid sir, and other coordinators are very cooperative. And my trainers trained me very well. My front-end trainer is Pavitra ma'am. She taught me HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, React, and Angular. My advanced Java, MySQL, and Spring Boot trained by Rajendra Prasad sir. They trained me very well, and based on these projects, I developed a few. Based on this my knowledge, I developed a few projects. Finally, I got placed in a good company with good CTC. Finally, I am very glad to this Besant Technologies for providing me this job. Thank you so much.